How to fill out money order. Step 1. Obtain a money order. The first step is to obtain a money order from a reliable source such as your bank, a post office, or a money transfer service. Ensure that it is the correct amount you need. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Before you start filling out the money order, gather all the necessary information. This typically includes the recipient's name, your name, and the payment amount. Step 3. Fill out the payee's name. Write the name of the person or company to whom you're making the payment on the pay to the order of line. Make sure to be accurate and use the full legal name if it's an individual. Step 4. Add your name and address. In the from or purchaser field, write your own name and address. This information is essential for the recipient to identify who the money order is from. Step 5. Specify your address. If there's a separate field for your address, make sure to specify it. This provides additional clarity and ensures the money order reaches the right recipient. Step 6. Fill in the payment amount in numbers. In the amount or dollar amount field, write the payment amount in numbers. Be precise and include cents if applicable. Double-check for accuracy. Step 7. Write the payment amount in words. Beneath the amount field, write out the payment amount in words. This is a crucial step to prevent any misinterpretation. If the amount is $756.32, write $756.32/100. Step 8. Sign the money order. Your signature is required on the money order. Sign on the designated line, and use the same signature you have on file with your financial institution for consistency. Step 9. Verify your entries. Before finalizing the process, carefully review all the entries on the money order. Check for any errors or omissions to ensure accuracy. Step 10. Deliver or mail the money order. Once you're confident that the money order is correctly filled out, deliver it to the intended recipient. If you're mailing it, use a secure method to ensure it reaches its destination safely. Step 11. Keep a copy for your records. For your records, consider making a photocopy of the filled out money order or take a picture of it. This can be useful in case of any issues or if you need to track the payment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fill out a money order. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and let me know in the comments if there's another financial topic you'd like me to explore.